I'm going to do a very, very easy junk journal today. I have picked up this ring binder, which I think is a scrapbook. I got it thrifted because this was all ripped here. So I've just stuck on these embellishments just to give it something before I decided what to do. Now there's quite a lot of empty pages already, and I'm thinking of taking some of these out as we add in our envelopes and little folders and things like that, but let's see. So I have decided to go with a forest theme, a woodland theme, and I purchased some nice papers. You get a few different things, beautiful papers, especially the toadstools that I really do like. Squirrel. So we're going to go through and use these and create a really very easy junk journal. Now, I'm going to start with the topper. And I think it would be nice to put something here. So I have a paper. Again, it was from the craft shop, and I'm thinking to put this on. Probably something like there. So I need a marker. So I've just cut a piece off of the arm that he had, and I'm going to make a little, cut it down, I quite like that. Probably be nice My writing's not the best, but I'm going to have a go. There is first journal. I don't actually have an inker, but I was thinking of just maybe just running a black pen over the edge instead. What do you think? Probably not best. It's okay. I'll have to get myself an inker, won't I? I don't have one. I've seen everyone doing it and it looks great. But for the moment, let's just do what we can. Use what I've got. All right. 6 there. Your fingers, have to be careful with that. There you go. I think that's okay. For a first time, it's not too bad, is it? I'm going to glue that on. So that's my topper finished, and that's part 1. I'll see you next time for part 2 when we'll start filling the journal. Bye for now.